Can you also check your page 36? Have you completed page 36? Okay, very good. I'll check this when I collect it. Now, I'm looking at page 40 now. This is the question I posted on YouTube. Those of you who didn't look at the video, can you just take a look at it now? Whether my answer here is similar to your answer. As you can see in the answer that I drew on the left side. Number one, do you annotate like what I did? You annotate your RACE. So I read and I show my reading to my annotations. Now, here's the important bit. I'm going to ask Summer in this topic of division. I said there are two key strategies I need you to remember. What are the two key strategies?
Come, one way, pass the microphone over. Summer. Thank you.
Yes, Summer.
K.C.F.
Okay, that's the first one, K.C.F. What's the other one? Sorry?
G.E.T.
G.E.T. Okay, in this sunflower question, what is T? What is T? What is T? Can you tell me in English words? Total. So I say T is total. Okay, then G is what? Total what? Total what? T is total. Total what?
Sunflower.
Total of sunflower? Seeds. Total mass of sunflower seeds. Can you pay very good attention to the word mass? It's not just total but total mass. So what does it tell you about the units? Okay, pass the back on to Denson. Now, what is G?
Group.
What about groups in this question?
6 bags.
6 bags. Good. Okay, pass on to the next person, Akhilesh. In my video, you see me write the first step. It did not start with A. Yeah, this is the first step. Okay, I can't write on my image here, but you can see my arrow here is pointing to the first part. What am I doing at this? You see my mouse cursor. What am I doing here? Sorry?
Making it 10.
What is this step about? I said, two things about this topic on fraction division. Number one, G.E.T. Number two, K.C.F. So just now I already asked our friends to identify what is T and what is G. What is my first step here doing? Adding what to find what? What is the objective and purpose for this step? Find what?
A.
Is it for finding A? Everybody, let's pass on to Skylar. Okay, let's pass on to Skylar. Okay, that's not the correct answer. Not finding. Can you look at the... Yes, it's a step towards finding A. But A asks for what was the mass of sunflower seeds in one bag. Is the first step that I wrote already one bag? It is not. So what is the first step? What's the purpose of me doing this first step? the total that you're going to share out. So what I wrote here, there's these two words here that so obvious. What does it say? Thank you. All seats. Thank you very much. So find out the total, all the seats that you can pack before you can even reach A. So my dear P6 students now, you are in primary 6. And so, you need to really read the question carefully. You cannot jump straight to wanting to answer and write out A, the answer is this. Okay? This is what I mean by looking for the hidden information or the hidden step you need to have. Okay, I need to know I have G.E.T, but do I have the sufficient information? So you see my diagram here shows you the entire story. Tom has some, Jane has some. Put them together, then divide. Step A already asked for, after that then divide already. So I need to find the total. That's the first step. It's not asked, the question did not tell you that you need to find this. So you yourself need to know I need this step. And it's an addition step, not multiplication and division yet. So do you see why I choose and tell you to do the revision just now, the questions? So you must remember how to do your addition subtraction. Okay, let's move on to the question before it. Question number 3 is a similar question to question 4. Let's see if you can use the same idea to solve. Okay? Similar, not the same but similar. So here, do your read and rotation. Read the first question first. In the basket, there are some red apples and there are some green apples. Ravi gave all the green apples equally. What fraction of the fruits in the basket did each friend receive? You see, this is just 3 sentences, but it consists of a hidden process. If I read already. I only circle, that's not considered sufficient enough work to help me resolve this. So if I were to think about it, this is all the fruits. I split to red and then split to green. Then from the green, divide into 5 friends. Then this is the ending part. So I need to find this one first, then I can find this one. So this middle question mark is not given to me. I need to be able to identify and resolve this on my own first. Can you understand that? So, Ryan, what should be the first step? What do you think you should do for the first step? There are 2 question marks here. So which one should I look for first? These are friends. So what is the first question mark? I should look. Yes, Skylar.
Is it total in each?
Okay, let's take a look at it again. In the basket, here's the basket. Part red, part green. Ravi gave the green to 5 friends. Question asked for the friend. So I tell you that this hidden step here. What is this step? Green apples, very good. So I need to find the green apple. All together is 1 whole, 1 whole. Minus the red apple, then I'll get my green apple. So what fraction is the green apple? 5/12, very good. So the green apple is 1 whole minus 7/12 to get me 5/12. Now I've got the basket. 5/12 of the whole basket is green. Then from this is this step here. Then the next step, divide by the friends. So I have this step already, G.E.T. So the total is 512 of the basket. Divide by 5 friends. Each person get how many? So that's this step here. This one becomes the total that is to be shared. That's what Skylar said. The total that is shared out by different people. Friends are the groups. You're going to find each person get how much? How much of the basket? Okay? So all of the green apples, all green apples, shared out by different people, so G.E.T, shared out by the 5 friends. We'll give you each person get how many? So this is the G.E.T step. Then I write in 512 divided by 5 friends. Then I remember my K.C.F. Keep, change, and flip. Keep the first fraction, change the operation, divide becomes time, flip 1/5, 5 over 1 into 1 over 5. Can simplify, answer 1/12 of the whole basket. So each friend get 1/12 of the whole basket. Am I going too fast for you? I repeat again, the whole process. There's a whole basket of fruits. Part red, 712. The whole basket is 1 whole. That is 1212. Part green, so it's 512. Take the 512 divided by 5 people, I get
How much each friend get?
Ryan, you can pass to Daniel behind you. Okay? Okay. Finish up with an easy question. Let's go back to page 38. Finish up with an easy question. Question 5. On page 38. Now, this is a lot simpler because is there any hidden story in between? No, just not for a whole long story. Some fruits, this fruit, one part here, one part there, then after that they share out the other part. This one is very straightforward, question 5. The whole amount of money, all the money, just go straight to 6 people. What fraction of the money does each person get? So it's very straightforward. 2/3 of the sum of money becomes the total amount that's shared. So G is 6 people. Each is the one that we're supposed to find. The total T is the 2/3 amount of money. So you want to find each, you take the total. There's 2/3 of the sum of money, divide by the number of friends. That will be 2/3 divided by 6 over 1. You can write it this way. So I got my G.E.T, I do my keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction, 2/3. Change the operation, divide becomes time, flip 6 over 1 to 1 over 6. I can simplify or I can do my numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Or I can simplify. So 1/9 of the money. That's all. One step. Can you tell the difference between this question and the question just before this? Shorter, right? Which one do you prefer? Of course, the shorter one. But why do you do both? Train your knowledge, yes, very good, that's one thing. The other thing is, this is probably 1 mark. That one can earn you up to 2-3 marks. Do you think you can earn all the marks actually? Can. Okay, just be confident. Can I just assign these pages as homework? 2 more questions for you. Page 38. Question 4 is sharing the pizza size. Okay? And question 6. Find the length of the square. Okay? That's all. Okay, let's get ready for E lesson.